Hiya. Today I'm going to talk you through the steps I took towards getting my Arduino to talk wirelessly to pure data, specifically the Pduino object. The first thing I had to discuss with myself, essentially, was how I was going to do this. I decided to go for XBee Pro S1 wireless modules, and I'm also using the XBee Libellium shield, which just clips directly onto the Arduino board. Here I have the USB XBee gateway, which is essentially will receive the data sent from this Arduino and send it to pure data. This actually has no chip in Arduino chip, Atmel chip inside, and it has jumpers on the shield which are set. You can't really see because it's not focusing very well, but they're set to USB, which is the two outside pins the jumpers are set to. Here is my transmitter or transceiver. Of course, it's got the Arduino chip inside it, which I have uploaded the standard formatter to, and yeah, this is the wireless transceiver. So it's got the XBee on top. This is actually set to XBee. The jumpers are set to XBee mode, so the data from the Arduino chip is being sent to the XBee. I've got my battery, which will power the Arduino, 9-volt battery. I have an accelerometer, and I've got a little passive low pass setup there, which my resistor is 17K and the capacitor is 4.7 microfarads, which I think if you do the math is about 1.9 Hertz. So that gets rid of some of the high frequency changes in the output of the accelerometer. Right, so the first step in getting them to talk to Pduino is to set the XBees to talk at the same rate as Pduino. Now, when you first get the XBees, they talk at a serial communication rate of 9600 as standard, and Pduino actually talks at 57,600. So you need to change the rate of both of these XBees first. And to do that, you plug the XBee into your XBee gateway setup, so the one without the chip. Make sure the jumpers are set to USB. So this one is ready to be changed. And then you use a serial communication terminal on your computer. I'm using ZTerm, which is free to download. So you set the rate of the terminal as the same as the XBee, which is 9600, as you can see here. So I'll click OK. Now, a couple of commands you need to know. Shift and +++ will activate the command mode, so you get an OK from that. Now, after you type every command, you have a couple of seconds to type the next one, otherwise it exits command mode. So yeah, so shift and +++ will enter command mode and you'll get an OK. To check the serial communication rate, the command is ATBD, which will check the serial communication rate. So if I type in +++, I'll get an OK, and then ATBD, enter, I'll get a number 3. Now number 3, can't really see that. Number 3 means that it's running at 9600, and we want to change it to 57600, which is in fact represented by number 6. So if I enter command mode again, +++, get an OK, then I type in ATBD6, and I should get another OK, and ATWR, which writes this to the memory, and ATCN, which closes command mode. Now if I change the serial terminal connection setting now to 57600, click OK, I should be able to read the bit rate, and it should come up with a number 6. So if I give that a go, ATPD, number 6, there we go. So now this XBee is programmed to run at 57600. So you need to do that with both of them. So if I wanted to do it with this one, which I would, but I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. I'd take this one off, replace it with this one, put that on there, go through the same steps, so change it to 57600, and then essentially you're ready to talk to pure data. So if I open up a pure data patch here, so I've got a pure data patch here, which actually the accelerometer actually controls the feedback of a delay line. So that I won't go into that right now. So here's my Arduino patch. Oh, I need to turn that on. That normally helps. So if I close that, right, I'll plug this in so that has power. There you go. You see the lights are turning on now. Right, so open that up again. So up here on the left is my Arduino, where it's basically the Pduino patch, with a couple of modifications for my project. But so if I turn that on, go into there, I can see that my data is being sent there. Relatively clean signal, no jumping around because of the low pass filter. And if I change that by tilting, you see I get a different reading, and this is completely wireless. So yeah, lots of fun is to come. You can see that changing there. So yeah, basically, you know, explore it for yourself. I hope I can help if anyone out there is stuck. Send me a message or something, and I'll try and give you a hand. Cool.